Hello and welcome to KNP's Fun with Tech. Today in this video I will be talking about one of the most important softwares in the Windows computer, the Task Manager. The Task Manager plays a very important role in disabling virus and suspicious program from the computer. You can also see what programs are running in your computer with the software. Now think of the Task Manager as a kill switch that ends any program that you select. So this is what a Task Manager looks like. Now, almost every one of you is familiar with the Task Manager, but for those who don't know what a Task Manager is, let me explain a little bit. Now, what happens is that sometimes a program gives you a lot of trouble while running, and no matter how much you try to click the close button, it just won't close. So what you can do is you can just open the Task Manager and select that program and end the task. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you want to close this VLC media player. What you can do is open the Task Manager, then select VLC Media Player and click on End Task. It's as simple as that. Now, one of the ways that we all use whenever we have trouble is use Control plus Alt plus Delete and then open the Task Manager. It is one of the most common and a surefire way of opening the Task Manager. Now, I'm not going to show you that Control Alt Delete combination because it's going to stop my recording and then I'll have to make another recording at the same point and then I'll have to merge those two files and it's a lot of work. What I'm going to show you is 4 other ways of opening the Task Manager, or at least 4 other shortcuts that I know of. So let's get to them one by one. The first method is just go to the taskbar, right click and open the Task Manager. Second method is go to the command prompt and type task mgr and press enter. It opens the Task Manager. The third method is press Windows plus R to open the run folder, then here type task mgr and press enter. It will open the Task Manager. The fourth method, which I like the most and which is the shortest method, is use Control plus Shift plus Escape combination and it will directly open the Task Manager. So the next time if any program troubles you, just use any one of these shortcuts to open the Task Manager and end the program. Now this is not all that the Task Manager does. There are a lot of other options, like if you go to the more details, it opens a whole bunch of other options, but I'm not going to go into that much detail right now. So my main aim here was to just show you the different ways to open the Task Manager. So I hope you learned something new and I hope this was helpful. So please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, KNP's Fun with Tech. Thank you.